Okay, this second part two, is really about running in Excel basic descriptive statistics about your data. By descriptive statistic, we would like to see basically a description of the key questions that you ask to your respondents. I assume you will start with your overall question describing the sample, therefore showcasing that you were able to collect data against the population that you meant to grasp. So starting from the first one, the question, are you male or female? I'm gonna just insert a recommended chart. Usually program just recommend you like the chart that better grasp the statistic at hand. So in this case, we have a simple count of are you male or female, and as you can see, you can move around the graph. So you either have the table and the graph. You can also there are many different ways to change the type, the color, so play around with formal, but you can also change around the type, so you can test if a pie looks better, a donut, so yeah, really just do play around with all of these, also to create some variety among the graphs. So I'm going to cancel here and leave this graph. So very simply, you can double click on the file, copy, and paste it into your presentation. So ideally, you can do this for all your questions. So you can choose, for example, one of the quantitative questions: how old are you? Just to analyze the ages of the respondents. I can choose myself the type of data that I want to see. So in this case, I am going to choose, for example, I'm still going to use the recommended chart. So as you can see, like that's the recommended chart, and it will tell us that most of the people are between 19 and 21 years old. What can be done as well, again, and it falls under the brief statistics,